A couple of days ago, my girlfriend bought some South Park and Looney Tunes stuff online on a marketplace. So let's find out what's in the box. First of all, here we have Stan from South Park. It's a plus toy, original, and this one is made, if I'm right, in 1998. Yes, that's correct. Yeah, looks very good. Here we have Kelly, also from South Park. Yeah, also this one is a small plus toy made in 1998. And here we have one size bigger, Eric. I think everyone knows who this is. So yeah, now we can go to some other stuff. Maybe you saw the TikTok yesterday. If you didn't saw the TikTok, please follow me on collector.tz. And this, how do you say this in English? A money can. And this one is made in Italy, 2003. Yeah, looks very fun. And I think we need to put it a little bit here so we can see all the stuff. Here we have a smaller plus toy from Eric. This one is also made in 1998. And here we have Kenny. From the South Park series, Kenny is, I like him the most. And did you know that there are already 25 seasons since 1997? Alright, here we have some figures in bubble wrap. So I'm gonna look. It's a keychain. Very cool. I like this one. Made in 1998. Everything so far is vintage. Okay, this one is 2003. Officially you can't call this not yet vintage, but next year we can. Yeah, I really like this figure. It's in a good shape, a little bit of cleaning. Also the plus toys needs to be a little bit of cleaning, but not a lot. And here we have another figure. Let's find out what it is. It's also a keychain. Alright. I don't know if you can guys see it. Also from Comedy Central, 1998. Now, we all know what this is. Kelly again. Kenny, I'm sorry. 1998, also a very cool keychain. And now we go to the last figure as far as I can see in the box. I like those keychains. Very cool. Oh, I think we have one. This is Eric. very well packed. All keychains are in a very good shape, so yeah, that's good. Now I need to decide which one I'm gonna keep by myself and yeah, which I'm gonna sell online. I will take you later in this video through the process of making pictures and yeah, putting it on the website. What is this? I have really no idea. I need to watch out that the scissor doesn't scratch metal. I think it's a set of play cards. And yes. Oh, these look very cool. Ah, nice. Yeah, I really like this. Can we see the 1999? I'm not sure if this product is produced in 1999, but it looks old, so it is possible. And we have another keychain. Yes, beautiful. Then I think we have for every Plus toy also a keychain, so that's nice. And what's this? Maybe this is also a card game. I'm not really sure. Yeah, I think it is the same. Yes. Alright. No, it's not the same. This one is a little bit of cleaning, as you can see, but very cool. Alright. This is cool. I really always like metal keychains. So these are, yeah, a little bit also hard plastic, a little bit rubber, but this is really metal, smaller keychains. Yes, very cool. Yeah, I like this one. All right. In a TikTok video from yesterday, we also saw this, yeah, can, but I have no idea what it is. I don't think so that it is. I don't think it is chocolate, but it's always possible. Need to watch out that I'm not scratching it. Aha! Alright, we're gonna give this to my girlfriend. Now we have done all the South Park stuff, and here we have the Looney Tunes, yeah, Plus toys. I never have seen this one before, not in the Netherlands, from Spacey and Warner Bros. And they are made in I don't know. It's always a question, because the trademark says already always the year of release from the series or movie, and that is 1996. But I don't know if these Plus toys also are from 1996. But we have a couple of Plus toys. I will show you. I thought this one was called Sylvester. So yeah, this what we bought for 30 euros, including shipping costs. So it's a very good deal I think. Now we're gonna clean everything and take some pictures. So I see you soon. Alright, I cleaned all the toys. They look very good. They are in very good condition. So now I'm gonna take some pictures to put them on the web shops. All the South Park plush toys and keychains are photographed. Now I'm gonna put them in this box, but I think I need a bigger box and then it can go to the storage. Alright, everything fits in the box. Okay, kind of. But yesterday this package arrived and it was an amazing deal. I think it's the best deal of this year so far. A little sneak peek. Vintage Furbies. Alright, I've uploaded all the pictures to the computer. Now we're gonna make some listings and yes, it will go live on the website. This was the video for today. In the next video we're gonna talk about Furby find. It wasn't really a perfect deal. So that's for the next video. I'll see you later.